We grow up believing progress feels good, that becoming better must bring peace. But growth rarely feels peaceful, because to evolve, the old self must die in pieces. Our minds confuse safety with meaning. We chase comfort, convincing ourselves it's stability, but it's stagnation, carefully disguised as calm. We avoid pain thinking it protects us. In truth, it disconnects us from the very process that shapes us. Every avoided problem stays unresolved, quietly building a wall between who we are and who we could become. Scott Peck called this the legitimate suffering, the pain that purifies instead of poisons. When we refuse it, the pain mutates, turns into anxiety, resentment, or decay. To grow is to observe that friction instead of fleeing it. It means asking, what is this discomfort trying to teach me? Pain is feedback. It reveals the boundaries between illusion and truth. The discipline we call maturity isn't suppression, it's integration. It's staying present inside the discomfort until it forms coherence. When you let pain speak instead of silencing it, it stops screaming. You see, it was never the enemy, only the messenger of growth. Most people chase freedom through comfort, but real freedom comes the moment you stop needing to feel good to know you're alive.